Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel Salsa where I break down salsa and. My name is Alexandros, with me is Andrea. We're from the Island of Cyprus and this is with music. It's a very advanced move. Please take your time. Don't try to do it as fast as we do. Learn it first slow and then without music, then with slow music and then go faster. If you like the lesson, it's the first link in the description and also in the info cards here. Allow me a few more seconds to let you know about this new course I have. I'm going to also have a link, the second link in the description, and once again it's going to pop up here. It's an advertising video about beginners. Out of my 400 plus videos, I do not have complete beginners course. And I have this course which I did and I'm selling. It's a specialized course. So if you guys trust me enough to learn from me the advanced ones, if you have somebody that you love as a beginner and you want him to start off correctly and with nice technique, offer them this. Also, if you go to the page, you will notice on the right side there's an affiliate link. If you use that link, you can get $13, 12 euros every time you sell for me this product. If you sell it 100 times, you get 1,200 euros. It's up to you. I'm not a good marketeer, that's why I'm saying this before I get started. And my apologies for putting a lot of bachata. It was about time to start now for 5 continuous salsa, salsa, salsa. Let's go to music. That was our crazy combination. I hope you liked it. Once again, I'm Alexandros, with me is Andrea. Thank you for watching. If you like to support our channel financially, we have a link in the description for PayPal donations. It's safe, and thank you for your support. See you on the next video.